Sometimes you just can't find the perfect wallpaper for your desktop or mobile phone. Maybe you've got a personal quote or a joke that you would like to have as your background, but you can't find it online. Well, the only option in this case is to make one on your own. If you want to do it in the fast way, just select one of the templates and edit them. But you need to make sure that the wallpaper has got the correct resolution for your device. The standard desktop wallpaper resolution is Full HD. But if your display has got a higher resolution and a different aspect ratio, you need to create a custom design with the correct values, because otherwise it won't look sharp. Now let's get into the design stuff. Make sure that you take comfort into consideration first. This might sound weird to you at first, but super bright colors like to kill your eyes when it's dark. And they even make icons less visible, so make sure to choose a nice balance. If you are a person like me who has got a very messy desktop, I recommend to leave some free space on the wallpaper and keep it minimalistic. Otherwise, it's super confusing to find your files. Alright, that's all you need to consider for now. Let's get into the editor. In this wallpaper, I decided to combine graphics with text. As you can see, the goal here was to create a motivating summer wallpaper, and that is also the reason for the vibrant colors and fruits. You can differentiate between graphics supported wallpapers and image supported wallpapers, but here it really comes down to personal preference. But another general advice I can give you for wallpapers is to create a unified look. For example, the theme for this wallpaper is black and white, so it would look really out of place to put in a yellow font. And a simple way to test your wallpaper out is to simply download it and actually set it as your wallpaper for a few hours and then improve on the little imperfections. And always remember that less can also be more. So even if there is only a logo, an icon or an element that you really like, don't be afraid to just put it in the center, add a nice background color and set it as your wallpaper. This can look really good too. Now at the end of this lecture, I'm going to leave you with some wallpapers that I created in Canva, so I hope you can get some inspiration from there.